Okay, welcome back to the Two-Stroke Turbo channel. I got a quick little short for you today. We normally focus on car-related items, restoring old cars. That's what we like to do. But I just have to share this with you. I kept hearing this noise. It's like, what is that noise coming from the parking lot? Can you see? Look at that mirror on that. That bird is fighting himself in the mirror and has been for hours. It's like, what the heck? Apparently he does not like the way he looks or seems. I don't know. Hours. Hours and hours. Come on, little bird. Get a life. Go make a nest. Do something. Never seen that before. Bird, come on. Shoo, bird, shoo. You're gonna wear out my mirror. Okay, it's an hour later and he's still going at it. Come on, bird. Find something else to do. Let's see if I can convince him to leave. Come on, bird. I'm gonna bring my bird dog. There we go. Go join your other bird friends over there. Bye-bye.